Hi kids, today we will tell a story about bird migration. Once upon a time, in a land filled with colorful trees and fluttering leaves, there was a little bird named Benny. Benny was a curious and lively bird with bright orange feathers that shimmered in the sunlight. One sunny morning, Benny gathered with his bird friends in a cozy nest high up in a tall tree. They were all excitedly chatting about their plans for the upcoming season.
Hey, Benny,
Chirped his friend, Lila.
why do we birds always fly to new places during certain times of the year?
Benny thought for a moment and then exclaimed.
Oh, I know why. It's because of the great adventure called migration.
The other birds tilted their heads, curious to know more. Benny began his explanation.
Migration is like a big family vacation for birds. You see, when the weather gets very cold and food becomes scarce in one place, it's like getting a signal that it's time for a trip.
Lila fluttered her wings.
But where do we go, Benny?
Benny grinned.
Good question. We birds follow a special path in the sky. It's like a highway for us, but invisible to people. Some birds fly from the cold north to the warm south, while others go from the hot south to the cooler north.
And what's the point of all this flying?
Lila asked. Benny explained enthusiastically.
Flying to different places helps us find yummy food and a safe home. It's like going to a buffet where you can feast on tasty bugs, fruits, and seeds. And, when we go to new places, we also find new friends.
The little birds listened intently, imagining the exciting adventures they would have.
And guess what?
Benny continued.
When it's time to come back home, the same signal tells us it's time to fly back. It's like a homing beacon guiding us safely back to where we started.
The birds were amazed by the wonders of migration. They imagined themselves soaring through the sky, meeting new friends, and enjoying delicious meals along the way. And from that day on, Benny and his friends always looked forward to the great adventure of migration, a journey that brought them joy, new experiences, and the promise of homecoming. Well, that's all for today, and we'll see you next time.